All right, this is Eric with Casual Car Talk, and I picked this exhaust up for 70 bucks, and I got some work done to it, so it's all back to healthy. There's actually a hole right here where the hanger broke off, so I posted up. I was going to chop up my stock exhaust. Someone in our local ST group said, hey, I've got this for 70 bucks, and I picked it up. So we're going to do a little sound clip of the stock exhaust right now on cold start, a couple of revs. I'm not going to do any drive-by. Here's how that sounds. You can go to Maperformance's video they put up for the exhaust, but just to do a couple of revs and comparison videos for what it'll sound like in the garage. All right, cold start. Go ahead. .500 RPM. One more time. All right, give me $5 grand. Give me $5 grand again. All right, now give me 6 and that'll be good. One more. Awesome. All right, that's the stock exhaust on the Fiesta ST, and I have a regular downpipe, regular exhaust. The only thing on this car right now is a Maperformance intake. It actually had a few little burbles in there, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, we'll see how it sounds with the Map exhaust after it gets thrown on tomorrow. Okay, so now we're going to do a cold start with the Maperformance exhaust. Go ahead, Mike. All right, now give me like 3,500. Couple more. Yeah, sounds really good.